Hi, this is a video demonstration of the Canon GL2 digital video camcorder. Just go through some of the accessories. We've got the camera bag, we've got the charger, which I used this morning to power up the battery, the manual, and a blank DV cassette. So let's remove some of this stuff out of the way. Camera bag and the manual. And let's go into the operation of the camera. Okay, right on top, right in the middle, is the power for if you want to play back or if you want to record. So we're going to play back. The power goes on. And let's open our door. Look at our screen. And the screen will flip a little here. And in the handle is the controls. So let's go ahead and hit play. Now this is a recording of a football practice. And it was a little windy that day, so you're getting a little bit of static from the wind and the noise there. But this is what I recorded this morning.
Video demonstration of the Canon GL2, and we're outside, so let's do a little over here, look at the trees, and I think we get a feel for how that's working, and we're going to stop.
So that was this morning. It was nice and sunny outside. I could only film in a certain direction because it was too bright. But it came out really nice, and then it's going to go back to the football practice that was on this tape. And here we go back to the football practice. All right, so that's gives you a feel for it. Now let's go and do a rewind. And you'll see a rewind right over what we did this morning. Then we'll do a fast forward. And we'll do, this is back to what we did this morning. So fast forward, rewind. Let's go ahead and hit stop. And let's close the screen here. And let's remove the cassette tape. And the tape goes back. Close it. And kill the power. So that is the video demonstration of the Canon GL2. Thank you.